Hello guys, you see this on my screen. Just give me a few minutes. You're going to make this right now. Let's go. Let me show you how to do that. Have you ever imagined getting paid cryptocurrency directly into your crypto wallet? I am not talking about mining. I am not talking about investment. I am not talking about trading, all right? But I'm talking about you doing something that you know how to do very well. And this is what you've been doing for a very long time without getting paid. I am talking about real cryptocurrency paid into your crypto wallet without any stress, without any hassle. And if this sounds like what is interesting to you, do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when I drop another video, you'll be among the first to get it. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Now, there's a particular website that is responsible for this, and this website can pay you on the very first day you registered on this website. And then if you are able to reach the threshold, which is approximately $5, you will be credited directly into your crypto wallet. And now, if this sounds like what is interesting to you, stay with me to the end of this video, because at the end of this video, I will show you the name of the website. Let's go, guys.
You definitely make a lot of money from this website by using what they call the smart link. All right, so I'm just going to navigate and show you how you're going to process it. Right, but for me, if you want to start for the very first time, you just have to sign up here. All right, you can sign up here. Now I'm going to click on login because I already have an account, so I don't need to, I don't need to sign up. So I just click on login now, and it's going to load. All right, so guys, I advise everyone to use this if you really want to make money online, just to test it and see that truly they are paying. All right, as you can see, today is 11th, right, and it's October. So I did like I use my smart link and I have just 2 clicks and I have 0.01 cent. As you can see, look at the CPM there. The CPM is a bit high, so the CPM there, the first CPM there is 57 cent, right? 57 cent. That's the first CPM that I have there. So I just did with my smart link and then I got that figure you are seeing there. So now I would advise that even if you want to register, immediately you register, you just go direct and click on your smart link and then you can start earning, you can start making money. All right, so that is the statistics I just showed you, the earning that I've gotten from clicking on my smart link. So the click I did was just 2 clicks and then I got this figure. Yes, now, why I advise everyone to really choose Monetag SmartLink is because, one, they have competitive CPM rates and good payouts. The ads are used for places like, depending on your country, you can have ads that suit your country, all right? And then the payout is always fast, and they have 247 support. Now, the payout is always like $5. That is minimum. So depend on how you want to withdraw it. If you want to withdraw with PayPal, it's $5. All right. So I want to show you the way you can withdraw. All right. These are ways you can withdraw. The different ways in which you can click on withdraw and then you have your withdrawal. As you can see here, we have the first one, that's the cryptocurrency. Right. You can withdraw using cryptocurrency, and the minimum payout for that is like $100. So if you're using PayPal to cash out, right, your PayPal has no extra fee. All right, so the minimum cash out for PayPal is approximately $5. And if you're using Skrill, for Skrill you need KYC to do your verification. Skrill is also $5. And if you are using Payoneer is also minimum is what, $20. So for sure, if you have $20 on this your account, you can just easily make your withdrawal, and then their withdrawal is very fast, right? It's very fast, so it's not something you need to be worried about. All right, so as you can see, this is the statistics, right? The statistics of your earnings. So if you make money this way, is going to definitely drop in. So guys, as you can see, this is called this direct link. That is the smart link I was talking about. All right, it is very easy to create. So sorry, what I need to do here is just to copy, and then if I copy this link, I'm going to impute it into maybe my blog. You don't need to have a website to even start monetize, right? You can have blogger.com, where you can create a free blog, and then you include this link inside your blog post, and then for sure, when somebody clicks on it, you get paid. It is easy. It's just for you to click on this add direct link, and then you will have all of this, right? I already have 3 smart link or 3 direct links, so I don't need to create another one, but I just show you what you can do. So I want to show you how I can impute it in my blog. All right, let me show you how. This is blogger.com. Like you all know, this blogger.com is free. So when you get to blogger.com, you don't need to pay anything for you to start operating on this website. What you need to do is just to create your account, and then when you create your account, you start writing your post, and then that link I copied, which is like a link, the smart link, I can just look for somewhere and impute it. All right, I can look for somewhere and impute. Okay, I just want to edit this post. This is how to make money online blogging. All right, so let me say I'm going to scroll down to a place where I can add the smart link. Remember, guys, I just copied my smart link, or you can also call it direct link. So I'm just going to look for where I'm going to add it. So maybe I will just put a text there, like maybe sign up or so. All right. So guys, let me just click on somewhere and see where I can add it up. All right. So this is my smart link, which is, you can also call it direct link, but I want it to be linked. So I'm going to create an hyperlink. All right. So let me just use sign up. Let me use sign up as the text that is going to be there. So I'll say sign up to end. So I'm just going to highlight this. All right, so when I highlight it, I'm going to create an hyperlink so that when you click on it, it's going to load and take you to where the ad is going to lead you to. All right, so sign up and end, and then paste it there. All right, and click on apply. I'm just doing this for those of us that don't have a website. If you have a website, you can definitely monetize. If you're using WordPress website, it has plugins, all right, but that's not the tutorial for today. It has plugins you can update, and then you have a lot of ads on your website. So when people get into your website, they see the advert, and then you get paid just like that. So when I get to the main account of my blogger.com, yeah, which is this one, I'm just going to try it from there. All right, so let's scroll down. How to monetize your blog with Monetag, how to make money online blogging. So we're going to hit on read more. We're going to hit on read more. So when you scroll down, I think we are going to see the link there. Now I use the link, sign up and end. So I'm going to hit on this now. All right, it's loading. So when it loads, definitely it's going to show up an ad, right? An advert. So this is it. As you can see, this is an advert. So this is just a way you can just implant your smart link or direct link into either your blog or your social media post. All right. So I'm just going to do whatever I want to do here. So for this clip that I got right now, right, and the next, let us say 30 minutes, right? If I should go to my dashboard and refresh, I'm definitely going to see maybe some cents, depending on the region they view that ad from. So I'm going to see some cents which they paid into my account. All right. So, but after that, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your social media, including Facebook, X, Twitter, and so on and so forth. So I think that's the next tutorial we are going to get into now. So let me show you how to do that now. Okay, guys, so now I want to show you how you can, if you're using Facebook, let's assume you have a large community, you have a large followers on Facebook. For sure, like I said, you can still monetize. It is very simple. Right now, depends on how smart you are, or how you want to work with your smart link, or how you want to work with your referral link. Remember, you can refer also in as much as you're earning with your smart link. All right, so on Facebook now, I'm just going to use it as an example, which I know that you can use other social media platforms like X, Twitter, and maybe Instagram and the rest of them. But I'm going to use Facebook for this tutorial. All right, so what I'm going to do right now, I think it's taking time to load. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to create a post. And after creating the post, I'm just going to place my smart link there. All right. It will look like I need you to click on that smart link. So, because I believe that when I have a large number of followers, like 10,000, 12,000, even 3,000, 2,000, and a lot of people are engaging with my post, I can for sure make money with it. So if I create this post now, and then let's just assume I'm going to write something out. Let's do that now. So I'm going to write something else. Whatever I write out now, I'm going to include my smart link or direct link. All right. So when I include that smart link or direct link, and then any of my visitor or maybe follower decide to click on it, I'm going to earn directly on my Monetag dashboard. So for sure, maybe after like 2 hours or so, it's not really up to 2 hours, but within an hour or so, your profit is going to reflect there, right? Your earnings is going to reflect. So that's how it works. Okay, from an ad paying website, let's go with that one. And if you want to, let's just say if you want to know how to, and click on the link below. All right. So this is just an example, right? This is just an example. So after this statement, or after this text, or after this content, I'm just going to impute my smart link. All right. Let me paste it now. All right. So I'm going to impute my smart link like this. So if I now hit on next, right? What's going to happen? Then what's going to happen? It will just post, and then when you're going through my post, and maybe I'm going to add a flyer, attach a flyer to it to make it more attractive, so that when you click on it, for sure, it's going to take you to a particular dashboard that will show you maybe an advert or so. But trust me, anyone that clicks on it, Monetag is going to pay me directly. So if I go and check my dashboard, I'm going to see that Monetag has what paid me. All right, I'm going to see that Monetag has paid me. So let me talk about the referral, right? As you can see, you can actually refer, right? You can actually refer, and 5% of your referral revenue by recommending us. All right. So when you refer somebody, they're going to pay 5% of that person's revenue forever. All right. They are going to do that forever. It is easy. Just click on your referral link and then you share it to people that are interested in whatever you are doing. Place it on your blog, and also you can place it on your website, even on your landing page. I will urge all of you that are watching my content right now to go ahead and register on Monetag, right? Like I said at the end of the video, I'll tell you how to make it easily. So the name of the website is what? Monetag, all right? That is an ads paying network that are ready to pay you just to monetize your traffic. So if you have a website or you have a blog, just go to Monetag and get your smart link. It is simple. You can do that a day. And then whatever you make that same day, but if you're able to reach the threshold, which is like $5, you can place your withdrawal ASAP, and then you can see it directly either on your PayPal or on your Skrill account. As you can see, I've even monetized up to like 3 of my websites here, because this Monetag, they are paying readily. All right, so I've monetized 3 of my website is verified. So it is simple as that. All right, guys, give it a try and do subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, bye.